Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for a tourist visa to Vanuatu. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a tourism visa to Vanuatu, there are two things. Like for most of the nationalities, they issue visa on arrival. Okay, but for certain nationalities, you have to get it before you actually arrive. So in front of you, I've opened their official government website about immigration and passport services. So for tourist visa, they have written that. Uh, these are the conditions. Like if you are applying, you must be outside of the country, and the stay period is 120 days without extension, and you cannot change your status. You must not engage in any commercial employment or business activities, and you must exit the country before the expiry of 120 days. And if you are from exempted countries, you can get it on arrival. But if you are from non-exempted country, you have to apply before. Okay. Wow. Now, when it comes to checklist, like suppose you need to apply, what are the things you are supposed to do? You have to be outside. Of course, visa application form will go through that. And for that, you have to pay 5,000 in their currency equivalent, you can say. Certified copy of passport bio page, return ticket, or evidence of arranged transport. Okay. Evidence of funds, support of applicant will say, yeah. Basically, like these are the general things. Like you are going to a country, your return, funds, stay where you are gonna stay, and if you are employed, like letter from your employer, proof of booking of tourism, proof of return tickets, and for underage applicants, there are other things. Now, let's go to the visa exemption. Okay, so on this page, these are the countries. These are the countries who can obtain tourist visa on arrival and upon meeting the conditions of tourist visa. So make sure you meet the conditions as we have gone through. So if you see Asian countries, India is here. So if you are Indian, you don't need to worry about. If you're Canadian, you don't need to worry about all sort of nationalities over here. Now, if you're from these countries, you have to apply for a visa in advance if you want to travel over there. Now, on this main page itself, there is a visa application form at the bottom that I have opened here. Here they have provided more instructions. Okay. So one form for each applicant. Okay. And fee must accompany, and it should be sent by international money transfer through the designated accounts. Okay. And these are the conditions. You have to enter in the block letters, date format also they have given, so make sure you follow that. And then once you complete, and then this application form along with certified uh, copy of the documents that they have asked, and in the checklist, and correct visa fee to this address. And three languages you can use: English, French, and Bislama. And if it's in any language other than that, then that needs to be translated, certified translated. Okay, is a checklist: visa application form, visa application fee, certified page, return ticket, evidence, general things they have asked here for. Then applicant details: when do you want to visit, your name, do you have any other name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, passport, citizenship, relationship status, country of usual residence, address, your telephone number, address of correspondence, representative, and then your visit reason, your address, telephone number, where you'll be staying, previous visa application if you have applied, if you have ever been refused a visa to Vanuatu, health questionnaire, criminal questionnaire, employment status, evidence. Then at the end, declaration, consent, and then okay. Then at the end, the form is gonna be over. All right. So you can go through the relevant section yourself. It's very simple form, nothing to worry about it. And that's how you can take it up. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.